We are at Walmart, and today they dropped some new perennials and annuals. So I'm going to give you a look at what they have because they have plenty on the shelves for you to snatch up. These flower baskets are looking gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. You can see they have some nice fresh flowers in different colors, and they have this beautiful vibrant purple for $14.88. This is $9.97, and they have 3 different types of flowers in this arrangement. I don't know about you, but I love a salvia. This one is an annual one, so if you are in a cold climate like myself, this won't last, but this definitely gives you a pop of color in your garden, and this is $12.86. Beautiful phlox for $9. This is $8.97 for these really pretty phlox that they have here at Walmart. This is the Spanish lavender, and this is a perennial. This is about $20 with this pretty bucket of perennials that comes back each year. So if you're looking for something like a lavender or a salvia, this is something that you would want to get. If anyone gets this type of lavender, let me know if it has a smell. Snapdragons annuals. This is the one I got recently. They are so pretty. From what I understand, snapdragons don't grow in my area. Hopefully they grow in yours. It's only $10, less than $10, guys. $9.72. Hens and chicks are one of my favorite succulents. They have it here for $5, guys. $5 for hens and chicks, and I just love this variety because this is the one that is cold hardy. You can keep this outside. You don't have to keep it indoors. It can withstand the cold, and you can see they have little babies forming right here. So are these stone crops, which are also $5. My God, this looks like a little pom-pom. How cute is that? This is $3, $2.47 to be exact, and this is an African marigold. They have them in orange if you don't want the yellow. These dahlias look like they need a little TLC, so let's try to find a better dahlia, but they have a whole variety here. You just have to look. This is the first day of this sale, so guys, get yourself to Walmart because the quicker you get yourself to Walmart, the better the flowers will look. I was at Home Depot the other day, and they had nice strawberry baskets, but take a look at these strawberry baskets. This is $12.47, and I counted, they have about 5 strawberry plants in this. So this is a great buy, and take a look at this. These are what's called runners. So every single runner like this is another strawberry plant. So when you are looking for a strawberry plant, make sure you look for the ones that have nice, thick, big runners, because that's an extra plant attached to the plant that you're already getting. So you're getting an extra free plant, guys, extra free plant. So I was in the wrong section. I was in the we don't take care of these plants section. I'm in the better plant section, and this is the geranium that I was talking about, I think, which is $16.88. Take a look at this. It is gorgeous. Yes, it has all these beautiful trailing vines. Take a look at it. Really, really pretty for $16.88. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? And it just hangs like that. Now it's an annual. If I were you, I would keep this maybe indoors or under a patio because it seems to be like an indoor plant, but just take a look at the buds. They are, this particular pot is buzzing with so many buds. It's absolutely beautiful. And I love the pink and purple combination. It's gorgeous, guys, gorgeous. $14.88 for this stunning pot. They have the yellow Asiatic lilies. Now this grows in my garden. I'm gonna pick up one that looks halfway alive, like this one. Wow, I have this in my garden. I can tell you this is something that is very easy for beginners. It's slightly drought tolerant, so you don't have to water all the time. It does like a full sun, and it does get very, very tall, and you don't even have to fertilize it. Asiatic lily. They have just so many flowers here, and I think the reason why they're getting restocked and they have so many flowers is because Mother's Day is just around the corner. Take a look at this viola hanging basket. So many flowers for $10. A lavender merlot. I love the variegation on that, and that is $14.97. Who doesn't love a fern? Take a look at the ferns, and these are $15 for the ferns, $14.88 for a fern plant. That is nice and full. Look at that. That is a healthy fern right there. And they got the welcome baskets for $24.97, and they have different flowers in them. They have alyssums and variolas. If I'm not pronouncing it correctly, I apologize. I am not a plant expert. I'm just a plant addict. Okay, so if I don't know how to pronounce it, give me a break here. But I mean, I'm telling you, it's gorgeous. $24.97 for that welcome basket. These dianthesis needs a little bit of TLC, but you can see that they are in full sun. What I would do is just prune them and they will produce more buds for you. But these are perennials. They come back in my area. They come in different colors: pink, white, purple, deep red, and they're beautiful. They're really nice. This is such a good buy. The Annuals Yellow French Marigold. Take a look at this one. And this is a 4-pack for $3.88. Oh my God, take a look at this one. I think this has 5 in them, or what happened here? Somebody maybe, okay, but this one has 5 only. Oh, 5 for $3.88. I may snag this one. Yeah, you get an extra plant. New Guinea Impatiens. Now, what I learned about Impatiens is that if you get the New Guinea Impatiens, it can tolerate more shade. The regular Impatiens, you need more sun. So that's a tip that you can use. If you like that tip, give me a like. They have the individual geraniums right here, and they are white. This one is also $5.47. They have them in pink and a vibrant pink. More dahlias. Oh, take a look at this. I love that yellow center. It is gorgeous. $6 for these dahlias. And take a look at this blood red dahlia. Oh, yes, I'm in heaven. I got these English ivies at Home Depot, and they were also $14.97. Now, the thing to remember about English ivy, they spread fast. So if you want them to be all over your walls or just spreading, put them in the ground. But I put mine in a pot so I can contain it. But they have the English ivy for $14.97. Now, it's debatable whether they should be selling English ivy, but I think a lot of people still like it because it gives that cottage look. But just remember, they can be very prolific, and at times they can be invasive. It's almost tomato season where I live. Where you probably are already putting your tomatoes out, but mine still needs to be hardened. But they have tomato baskets here for $12.47. 3 small tomatoes in here. They're pretty good size. This one has 4. This is a basket of 4 tomatoes in here for $12.47, so I can't beat that. It's the little Napoleon tomatoes, so I'm assuming that it doesn't grow that tall. You harvest in 60 to 65 days. We got the bigger tomatoes with the cage for $18.88. But this only has 1 plant, 1 big plant. Oh my goodness, calla lilies, that deep mauve and white color. And this is $24.97 for these calla lilies. Definitely a great gift for mom. If you want something a little bit with more pop, this one is $9.97, under $20. If you just don't want the white and mauve, you can get this orange variety. Bare root roses for $12.88, different types of roses. I think at Lowe's or at Home Depot, they were $19.99. Here, they're $12.88. Also got raspberries, blackberries, grapes, green grapes, and the red seedless grapes, all here for under $10, $19.97. If you are planning on getting any vegetables, just remember that the weather is getting hot. So something like this, like lettuce, which is about $5 here. If you are in a very hot climate, this is going to this is not going to do well. So I wouldn't get lettuce even though I'm in a cooler climate, because the weather is getting hot. We are now seeing temperatures above freezing. Maybe at night it's about 50. So this would be good at night, but during the daytime it would shrivel up and it would not do well. I would advise to skip your cool weather crops like this. You want to concentrate on the warmer weather crops like tomatoes, peppers, and even cucumbers. Herbs like thyme still do well in the warmer weather because you can leave them inside. You can put them in near a windowsill and they will grow. They don't need a lot of light. They do need sunlight, but unlike tomatoes where they need that energy from the sun, the herbs can, if you just put the herbs near a windowsill, they will grow. So they got basil and they got parsley. You know, guys, I recently got this herb planter from Vego Garden. I grew all my herbs in there, and I just put the seeds in, and it was self-watering, and it was so much easier. I mean, herbs are really easy to grow. They're like almost weeds. But if you are interested, Vego Garden has a really nice herb planter that you just plant your herbs in there, and I've been really successful with. I'll throw in the description if you are interested in getting that herb planter from Vego Garden. They got this pot of rosemary, $13.88. I mean, it's lush. Would you pay for $13.88 for this? Again, I think the big box stores, and this is a big box store, but I think the Lowe's and Home Depot are selling these at a cheaper price. But you know, take a look because they have lots of vegetables for you to choose from. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. I did see some really good buys here at Walmart. The only thing is you just have to check it out, but they have a whole bunch of new arrivals. So if you are at your local Walmart, check out what they have when it comes to the gardening section, because they got in all these new annuals and perennials, and they're going fast, guys. They're going fast. So thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends, and if you can, hype it. And until next time, guys, stay rooted. Bye bye. See you in the next video.